In day trading, sometimes we see bars with very big tail. For example, in the chart, we can see this bar has a very big tail at the top. So for these cases, that's because the market sometimes moves one direction very quickly and then reverse back quickly. So that's why. So for the bars with this big tail, how do we do the analysis? Do we trade up or do we trade down? This is the 15-minute chart. So let's get down to the 5-minute chart to see more details of this bar with big tail. Actually, we can see that these three bars, this bull bar with these two bear bars, is the bar for the 15-minute chart. We can see the market goes up first and then quickly reverse back down. That's why. And then in this case, it's very hard for us to do the analysis because we can say that there's a upside pressure, but it goes back down, and then it seems that the market go back to the previous level here. So it's really hard to decide. So in this case, what we want to do is to go back to the higher time frame, the 15-minute chart. There are two things. The first thing is that we only care about the body and the small tail, or even you can ignore the small tail, only care about the body. So you can see the body of this bear bar is very small, so we can basically ignore it and ignore the whole big tail all at once. And then do the analysis like usual. And then you can see the next bar. This bull bar is a very good signal bar because it's breaking out the previous consolidation. So you can trade up. Second thing is that even for the tail, does it have any use for us? Yes. We can use the tail end as a target in this case. For example, if you draw a line at the top here, and then this can serve as the profit target. So later on, you can see if you trade upside, and then the market goes up, and then here, the market touches this level, and then if you take profit here, you're going to make good money. Let's have a look at another example. We also have a big tail for this bear bar. And then this is the 15-minute chart. Let's get down to the 5-minute chart. We can see that the three bars forms the 15-minute chart big tail bar. Even though this bar, bull bar in the middle, you can see that the tail at the top is larger than the bottom. If you analyze the 5-minute chart here, then you can ignore both sides of the tail and just concentrate on the body here, and then you can just ignore the body. That's how you want to do the analysis. If we get back to the 15-minute chart, what we can see is that here for this big tail here, previously the market touches this level the first time, the second time, and then the third time. That is why the market goes back up to touch this. So this level can serve as a resistance level. Even though it is different from the previous example that it was a profit target, here is a resistance. Later on, when the market goes up, you want to watch out for this level because when the market reaches this level, it's going to pause before you can make a decision whether it's going to go up continuously or it's going to reverse back down.